Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to calculate straight line depreciation in Excel. It's a simple but important method to track the value of your asset over time. Now, I will show you two methods, one using the Microsoft Excel's built-in function and another one is the manual process using a formula. Now, before we start, let's quickly understand what straight line depreciation is. When you buy a product like a computer or a machine or an air conditioner, it loses its value over time. Now, straight line depreciation is the straightforward way to find this loss. Now, on the screen, you can see I have a sample data set where in column A, I have put the asset IDs. In column B, I have different types of products. And in column C, I have the price for each product. And in D, I have the salvage value for each product. The salvage value is actually the estimated value of an asset at the end of its lifetime. When you buy a product, even it breaks, it has a salvage value. Now, let's get started with our first method. The first method is using the Microsoft Excel's built-in straight line depreciation function, which is the SLN function. Let's say we want the depreciation in column E. First, let's name this column as depreciation. Now, in cell E2, let's type this SLN function formula equal SLN open bracket C2 comma D2 comma 10 close the bracket. Now here, this SLN function uses three parameters where C2 is the price of the product, D2 is the salvage value of the product, and 10 is the lifetime of the product. Let's say the lifetime for all these types of products are 10 years. Now press enter. You see I have got the depreciation value here. Now to apply this formula to the rest of the cells, let's drag this down. You see I have got the value, the depreciation value in column E. Now let's move to the second method. The second method is manually typing the formula. Like the previous one, let's say we want the depreciation value in column E. First, let's name this column as depreciation. Now, in cell E2, let's type the formula equal open bracket C2 minus D2 close the bracket divided by 10. Now here, C2 is the price of the product, D2 is the salvage value of the product, and 10 is the lifetime of the product. Let's say the lifetime of all these types of products are 10 years. Now press enter. You see I have got the depreciation value here. Now drag this down to all the cells to apply this formula for the rest of the cells. You see I have got the value. So we have got the depreciation value in column E. So that's all. Those are the two methods to find the straight line depreciation in Microsoft Excel using a built-in formula and the manual process typing a formula. Now download the workbook link below to practice and visit excelinsider.com for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching.